productivity council point of view, safety and productivity, as we have been telling all the time, goes hand in hand. We have to have a policy, and we have stated it at numerous occasions, of zero accident policy in our operations, and that is something which we want to ensure. And this step of today's workshop and events which are going to unfold in the coming calendar year and the time to come will include such more kind of initiatives. And in order to build up, as Dheeraj was saying, safety management plan is not optional requirement, is an essential requirement. And we must focus, while there is no drilling and blasting in Goa, but then primarily all the mines in Goa are open cast mining, and open cast mining involves slope monitoring. Most of the cases related to some kind of untoward incidences relates to slope movement. So that is one major focus we have to keep. Second is the usage of HEMM resulting into interface with people around the operations, be it a dumping yard or be it stockpiles or the haul roads. This is something which requires a special consideration during today's workshop. And also, while that's not the major part of this, but water management and things related to water management in terms of safety requires a special consideration. Training and supervision is something which is also a very essential component. And the second topic which we had chosen under the guidance of DMS was the machinery front, where the HEMM machinery fitted with its various safety requirements. And of course, when we talk about safety, we are also going to speak something on agronomics also, because that is one important aspect which relates indirectly or directly to the safety of people. So that aspect also should be taken. Friends, as we restart mining, we have an opportunity to build a safer industry. That the one was we paused. Every safe shift contributes not just to productivity, but to the trust of our workers, the family associated, the communities around us, especially in this present challenging circumstances. Let Goa once become a national model for safe and responsible mining like done in past.
I congratulate President, Secretary and all the members of the Mine Safety and Productivity Council for organizing this seminar, first time in almost 8 to 10 years. I request all of you, please give big applause to organizers for arranging this seminar in a systematic way, in a pleasant environment in Goa Engineering College. Because almost we are gathering almost 8 to 10 years. It is hardly to do such a type of things after reviewing of this mining operation. I am privileged to be a part of this important seminar. Today, Mine Safety and Productivity organizer called me to given me an opportunity to speak in front of you in this seminar. I thanks to the organizer, because when I am studying in NITK Surathkal, our professor used to bring us for the field visit in Goa mines. I am lucky that I got an opportunity to work in this Goa region as a regional inspector. I thank and all, because it is possible because of your blessings. As you know, mining is specifically characterized with constant change of working conditions and truly termed as a peacetime war against the nature, while digging out of the natural resources from the Mother Earth. Mining is a vital sector that drives economic growth and development. In this mining sector, tremendous developments have been taken place in application of technology in the mining field, simultaneously in OSH issues worldwide. Indian mining industry, though, has taken some initiative in the areas, there is a further scope to deep dive into this field. In safety, modern scientific tools like risk assessment and safety management plan, scientific study and design of mines, SOP-based operation of machinery, and code of practice based on activities have made inroads in process of mining activities, but broad-based participation of higher grade management should be involved in this process. This Mine Safety Productivity Council, they have chosen the very good topics which is required nowadays in Goa. The first topic is a safety management plan. The history of safety management plan starts in the mining industry in India in the year 2000 by recommendation of 9th National Conference of Safety, and afterwards various DGMS technical circular like 13 of 2002, it says that the implementation of SMS, and 2 of 2011, audit and review of safety management system, 5 of 2016, development of safety management plan, and 3 of 2019, guidelines for implementation of safety management plan. Now it is included in the draft MMR 2019 also. Very shortly it may be introduced in the new MMR. The mine safety management plan helps to prevent accidents and injuries by proactively managing risk and empower the mines to self-regulating the assessed risk. That's why we have chosen this safety management plan. I congratulate the organizer because it is a must required for this Goa sector. And second topic is the safety appliances in heavy earth moving machinery. As per the DGMS Technical Circular 2020, 6 of 2020, it states that minimum design and requirement for various safety features to be incorporated in the use of HAMM and also heavy and light vehicles in open cast mines. By adopting this safety appliances, we can drastically minimize the hazards due to operation of the HAMM. However, we must prioritize safety, sustainability and innovation to ensure responsible and efficient mining industry. I request all the stakeholders, please utilize this knowledge sharing seminar and implement the safety management plan and also use of safety appliances in HMM in your mine. Please join hands towards the achievement of zero harm as a part of Vision Zero and ensure better working condition and environment for working community. This journey leads towards Vikasit Bharat.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.